my ingredient for my egg pie is ready. So I have spring onions, I have green pea, I have carrots, I have onions, I have egg, I have potato, I have power oil, groundnut oil, I have thyme, I have curry. So I'm going to mix this together to give us the sauce. So my sauce, wow. Ooh, did you see that? Ow, looking so delicious. So my sauce is ready. So the next one is to mix the flour together. And this is salt. I'm adding salt. This is sugar. I'm supposed to add brown sugar, but since I don't have brown sugar, so I'm going to use white sugar, just a spoon. Then this is baking powder. Adding baking powder, 1 spoon as well. Then this is our butter. So you add it. So it. And mix it together like that. So we've gotten this now. After mixing it together, then we are going to the next level now. Just hold on, in the next 5 minutes we'll get there. So now we want to mat it now. So you add a little bit of flour on it. Still ongoing. Oh my god, yeah. And here we go, I made it. Please come join me. Tasting yummy, 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 yummy. Oh my god. Did you see the inside? Yummy, yummy, yummy. I made it. My recipe.